Want to make your videos more captivating by making objects move in reverse? Then let's jump right into reversing clips in DaVinci Resolve 18. First, make sure you have DaVinci Resolve 18 open and your clip is already in the timeline on the edit page. If you don't have it there already, drag and drop your desired video clip from the media pool onto the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip you want to reverse in the timeline. A menu will appear. In this menu, look for and select Reverse Clip. It's usually near the top. And that's it. Resolve will instantly reverse your clip. Play it back to see the rewind effect. For more advanced control, you can use Retime Controls. Right-click your clip again, and this time select Retime Controls near the bottom of the menu. This will bring up a little drop-down menu under your clip. Click the Reverse Speed button. It looks like a small triangle pointing left. This will reverse the clip. You can adjust the speed by dragging the edges of the clip. Dragging it further will make the clip play in reverse slower, while shortening it will make it play faster. For even finer control, you can click the Retime Curve button to get a graph view. This allows you to adjust the speed at different points within the clip, creating truly unique reverse effects. Experiment with these techniques to add a professional touch to your videos and tell your stories in reverse. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials.